have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to be.
Some people get in this game and they just want to trade all day long. I'm trading. Like me, I want to like spend time with my family. I want to drive my car. I want to just relax or help people. And so you'll start to see like you only really need a few good trades, and the rest of them just was raking your brain. They were stressful. You couldn't pay attention at work. And you look at them, you're like, why was I even in that trade? You're basically like a machine gun. You're just spraying bullets hoping you hit something, versus a sniper's just waiting. And it's like, nope, not yet. I'm not going to the bathroom. I'm not taking a smoke break. I'm waiting for my opportunity. And when it comes, it's like, boom, 100,000, 10,000, 5,000, whatever your bank account, whatever's big for you in your bank account. That's how I try to look at my trades now. Like I don't try to do stuff just to impress people. I know it's like 1 or 2 sniper shots that actually mean the most to my bank account. Most people come into the stock market and say, I want to make $100,000 and I want to quit my job. Here's the difference between the stock market and your job. Your job's going to divide $100,000 up by 52 weeks, and every 2 weeks, they're going to cut you a check. And at the end, you're going to get a sum total. And guess what? They're also going to do you a little bit of favor and take your taxes out for you along the way. In the stock market, I can say, I'm going to make $100,000 this year. I cannot tell you if it's going to come in the shape of $8,000 a month times 12, which is 96. I don't know if it's going to come in $8,300 a month. I don't know if it's going to come in 5 trades of $20,000. I don't know if I'm going to have 1 trade beginning of the year, 100 grand done for the rest of the year. So you have to be open to it might not come how you think it should come, but you'll get there. Okay, so you want to get out the first time it does something that it doesn't normally do. It hits your arm run level. What's the problem with people not getting out? Well, the first time you don't get out, you're going to say, you know what, this Jason guy, he's cool, he's funny, sometimes not really. He doesn't know what he's talking about. I stayed in, and I'm so glad I did, because the stock went back up. What's the problem with this bad habit? It is never about how much money you can make. Never, okay? Everyone hearing my voice. It is never about the one time that you showed Jason Brown and you stayed in it and it turned back up. It is about the one time it doesn't do that and you blow up your entire account.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to